today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an image to your Weebly blog in just a few minutes. Adding visuals can really enhance your content, whether you're blogging for business, personal stories, or creative projects. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Weebly website. Click the sign in button at the top right and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, focus on the left-hand menu and click on Website. Then select Edit Site to open Weebly's editor. Inside the editor, click the plus icon to add a new section. From the options, choose Text and Image. This allows you to combine written content with visuals seamlessly. Pick a layout that matches your blog's design and aesthetic. Now it's time to insert your image. Under the content area of your chosen layout, either drag your image directly into place or upload it from your computer. Make sure the image is relevant, high quality, and aligns with your blog post. If your layout includes extra text or title sections you don't need, you can remove them to keep your page clean and focused. Once everything looks right, click Done to save your changes. Don't forget to preview your page to see how the image appears live. If you're happy with the result, click Publish to make your changes visible to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Weebly blog, making your posts more engaging and visually appealing. Well done!